Welcome to day 12 of my Oracle DBA 100-day challenge. Today, we're diving into one of Oracle's most powerful and widely used storage technologies, ASM, or Automatic Storage Management. ASM is the storage foundation for Oracle databases, Oracle RAC, and Exadata. It is designed to deliver high performance, built-in redundancy, and simplified storage management, all while removing much of the complexity that DBAs traditionally face when managing database files. What is ASM? ASM is Oracle's integrated volume manager and file system, built specifically for Oracle database files. Instead of relying on traditional operating system file systems, ASM manages storage directly for the database. It handles critical storage functions such as striping, mirroring, disk balancing, storage automation. By doing this, ASM removes the need for manual file placement and tuning. The result is predictable performance, better I/O distribution, and reduced administrative overhead for DBAs. Key components of ASM architecture. To understand ASM properly, you need to understand its core building blocks. ASM instance. An ASM instance is a lightweight Oracle instance. It contains only an SGA, ASM-specific background processes. Unlike a normal database instance, an ASM instance does not mount or open a database. Its sole responsibility is to manage storage metadata and control how database files are placed and accessed on disk. Multiple database instances, especially in RAC environments, can connect to a single ASM instance. ASM disks. ASM disks are the physical or logical storage devices presented to ASM. These can be SAN LUNs, local disks, NVMe devices, cloud block storage. Before ASM can use these disks, they must be labeled and prepared, typically using ASMlib or UDEV. Once configured, ASM takes full ownership of these disks and manages them as part of disk groups. ASM disk groups. ASM disk groups are where actual Oracle database files are stored. A disk group is a collection of ASM disks combined together with a defined redundancy level. Common disk groups include data, for data files and control files, FRA, for archive logs, backups, and flashback logs, redo, optional, depending on system design. DBAs manage storage at the disk group level, not individual files, which is one of ASM's biggest advantages. ASM redundancy levels. ASM provides 3 redundancy models, allowing DBAs to balance availability and storage cost. External redundancy. ASM does not mirror data. Redundancy is handled by the storage hardware. Normal redundancy. ASM uses two-way mirroring, storing each block twice. High redundancy. ASM uses 3-way mirroring, storing each block 3 times for maximum availability. The redundancy level you choose depends on hardware capabilities and business availability requirements. ASM striping and rebalancing. ASM automatically stripes data across all disks in a disk group. This improves performance, parallel read and write operations, I/O load distribution. When disks are added, removed, or fail, ASM performs automatic rebalancing. Data is redistributed evenly across the remaining disks, without downtime. This process is fully managed by ASM background processes and requires minimal DBA intervention. ASM background processes. Several background processes keep ASM running smoothly. RBAL, coordinates rebalance operations. ARBn, performs the actual rebalance work. GMON, monitors disk group status. Mark, handles offline and drop disks. ASMB, connects database instances to the ASM instance. Understanding these processes is essential for monitoring and troubleshooting ASM environments. Why DBAs love ASM? ASM is popular among DBAs for good reason. No file system fragmentation. Automatic performance optimization. Self-healing through rebalancing. Tight integration with Oracle Clusterware. Ideal for RAC and large enterprise environments. It allows DBAs to focus on database performance and availability, rather than low-level storage management. Today's key takeaway. Here's the most important lesson for today. ASM removes storage headaches. It gives DBAs performance, redundancy, and automation, all designed specifically for Oracle databases. Mastering ASM is essential for any DBA working with modern Oracle systems. That completes Day 12 of the Oracle DBA 100-Day Challenge.